All right, I'm going to do this without my face this time. Hopefully it'll be a bit more acceptable. So what I have here is you should have typed this in to your computer, or you can just watch this and fix it when you're done. But we're talking about the escape character. Escape character is a backslash, so that's right above the enter or return key, depending on your computer of choice. Now it also must be in quotes. So it's basically we're just output. What are we going to output? And when we put it in quotes, it's going to be exactly like it is. This backslash makes it so it doesn't exactly do what we type. Okay, because say we want to output a quote. Say we want to output a quote, but we use quotes to output. How do I actually put a set of quotes there? So that's what these escape sequences are about. It's just an interesting way to make output look different, I guess. Okay, so there's three of them that we are actually concerned with. An escape sequence, that's when you have a backslash and then followed by another character. So it always starts with the backslash, it always starts with that escape sequence, escape character, and then the sequence is formed by putting the next character. So if you put two backslashes, it outputs one backslash. So if you put 50 down, it'll only output 25. Okay, backslash n moves, it's like hitting enter. Okay, so wherever this is put, it's like at that exact spot, you hit enter or return on your keyboard. Backslash quote, okay, it outputs a quote. And I believe there's a backslash single quote, and then there's other ones. There's like backslash T and backslash A, or I don't know. There's a bunch out there you can look up. There's like 10 if you want to Google that or whatever. But these are the three that we actually care about. You can make it more interesting if you use the other ones, I guess. You can make a beeping noise or something hugely hilarious. Okay, so I call this sailboat bad because it doesn't run. Hopefully you tried to run it and it said, you can't. So notice down here it says illegal escape character. It is, because you can't have a backslash and then have nothing after it. Anytime you have a single backslash, you have to have a sequence. So you have to have either the slash, the n, or the quote. Now I'm making a sailboat here, so for every single backslash, I need two. So I need two for each one of these. Okay, so when I run this, also, okay, so this is also a backslash, so I got to put that one there. Oh, it highlighted it, my bad. Bunch of Control Z, edit, undo. That's always a good thing to know. So now, oh, I put a nice semicolon, idiot. Okay. So there, I have no syntax errors now. So this should come out looking like this. The only problem is the word sailboat. So let me just compile this. Oh, I did compile. Oh, I want to call it sailboat good now. Hold on. I just like, you don't have to do that if you're using Eclipse, but if you aren't, you can. Oh no. What happens? Oh, that looks ridiculous. Okay, so it is a sailboat. It's just all of these need to go on the next line. And I want quotes around the word sailboat. So basically, this should be here, and this should be here. So I need to hit enter. So I could solve that by doing a println here. So at the end of this line, I would hit return, but I just don't want to. I want to be super cool and use backslash n's at the end of each line. Okay, so anytime you want an enter, you can put backslash n and it will do that also. You don't have to put spaces, it knows what you're doing. Okay, so if we run that. Oh my god, I hate this. Excuse me. Oh my god, I might. Alright, it's the right clicking on a Mac. Okay, draws a awesome space sailboat. But now I just want the quotes around it. So I can use my sailboat here, and I use a backslash and a quote, and a backslash and a quote. Now if you tried to just put quotes around it, you will get an error. And I'm going to do this. Oh my lord, this is just, how many times can I do this without being super annoying? One. There's the quotes. All right. If I didn't like that spacing, I can always fix the spacing if I want to. All right. So those are the escape characters. So probably what we'll do tomorrow is we'll give you some output, some code, and ask you what the output would be. Enjoy.